Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed 16 problems of exercise 3.1. Today I am continuing that next questions, that is 17th one. So what is that? Compare this number and this number. Okay, so how to compare? First, write down your Indian system or international system. Okay, so first write down that number 5, 6, 7, 8 and this one is 5, 4, 8, 7, 3, 2, 4. Okay, so first place the commas. Okay, so in Indian system, first comma comes after 3 digits. So first comma, next comma comes after every 2 digits. Here and here. Okay, next here, first comma comes after 3 digits, next 2 digits. So here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 9 crore. Okay, 9 crore and remaining number. So here 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, that is 54 lakh. Here 9 crore is there and 54 lakh is there. So which one is greater? Obviously this number. So what is this number? 9 crore, 23 lakh, 95,678. And this number 54 lakh 87,324. Okay, so which one is greater? This one. So use the symbol. This number is greater than this one. Next, 18th one. Again, write down that number 378645 6. And here 301327. Otherwise, you can directly say here how many digits are there? 7 digits. But here 6 digits. So this one is greater, obviously. Otherwise, first place the commas 3, 2. So this is an Indian system. So here. So what is this number? 37 lakh 86,456 and 3 lakh 1,327. So this number is greater now. Why? Because this is 37 lakh, here 3 lakh. So this number is greater. So next 19th one, arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. So we have the given numbers here. So first, see here how many digits are there? 8. Here also 8. Here also 8 and here also 8. That means you have to check the place values. Okay. So first, write down the numbers 98348597 and next 24327817. Next 97124127 and next number 13187524. Okay, so place the commas here in Indian system 3, after that 2, next 2. Here also 3, 2, 2. Next 3, 2, 2. Next comma comes after 3 digit, next 2 digit, 2 digit. Okay, so first check the place value here. What is this number? 9 crore. 9 crore 83 lakh 48,597. So first check the crore place. Here 9 is there in crore place. Here 2 is there. Here also 9 is there. Here also 1 is there. But here first we have to write ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. So first we have to write the smallest. So here 1 is smaller than 2 and 9. So first number is this. 1 crore 31 lakh 87,524. So this is first smallest number. Next, after that one, 2 will come down. So next number is 2 crore 43 lakh 27,870. Okay. Next, here also 9 is there. Here also 9 is there. So next, go to the next place value. Next 10 lakh place. Here 8 is there. Here 7 is there. So which one is smaller? 7 is smaller than 8. That means next smallest number is this one. So 9 crore 71 lakh 24,127. And the last number is this one. 9 crore 9 crore 83 lakh 48,587. 587. So this is an ascending order. Ascending order is smallest to greatest. Descending order is just reverse. Okay. So first greatest number, but descending order means largest to smallest. So largest number is 9 crore 83 lakh 48,597. Next 9 crore 71 lakh 24,127. Next 2 crore 43 lakh 27,807. And last smallest is 1 crore 31 lakh 87,524. Okay, this is the ascending order, descending order. So next 20th one, the names of living countries and their populations are given below. So use this information to answer the questions that follow. So what is that? They give the information: France, this number of population; Iceland, this number; Ireland, this number; and Italy. Okay. So what is the first question? What is the population of France? Write the number in words. So write the number first 28. What is the population of France? So population of France is this number. So write this one. So first write down the number. Population of France equals to. So first what is the number? 65447374. Okay. So place the commas here. 3, 2, 2. So how to read this one? 6 crore 54 lakh 47,374. So what is the population? 6 crore 54 lakh 47,374. And write the number in words. Okay, write it. So how to write this one? 6 crore 54 lakh 54 lakh. Next 47,000 and remaining number is 374. 374. So next, second one. What is the population of Italy? Italy population is this. So population of Italy. So population of Italy is. So write down that number 60340,328. So place the commas here. 3, 2, 2. So what is this number? 6 crore 3 lakh 40,328. So write down that number. 6 crore 3 lakh 40,328 and 328. Okay. Next, third one. Which of the countries, Iceland or Iran, has a larger population? So first write down their populations. So Iceland population. Iceland population is this number. What is this? 3,17,900. 317,900. So what is this number? 3,17,900. And population of Iran. So Iran population, what is the Iran population? So write down the number 7507800. So see here, so comma comes after 3 digit, next after every 2 digit. So here 7 crore is there, 7 crore 50 lakh 78,000, but here only 3 lakh. So compare these two, which one has a larger population? Obviously Iran has a population, Iran has larger population, therefore Iran has a larger population than Iceland. So next 21st question, find the place values and face values of the underlined digits in the given numbers. So first one, this number and they are underlined for 9, here for 1. So first one, write down that number 98002334. So underline one. So first place the commas. Here Indian system, first comma comes after 3 digit, next comma comes after 2 digits. So here what is this number? 1, 10, 100, 10,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. So first write down the place value. So what is the place value? So here 9 is in the 10 lakh position, that is 90 lakh. So what is that? 90 lakh. 90 lakh. So this is the place value. Why? Because 9 is in the 10 lakh place. No? 9 into 10 lakh, that is 90 lakh. So next place value. So place value of 9 is 9 only. As simple as this. Okay. So next take second one. 4123059. So they are underlined for 1. Okay. So first place value. So first place the commas, 3 digit, next 2 digit. So 1, 10, 1000, 10,000 lakh. Sorry, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So 1 is in the lakhs position. So that is 1 lakh. So place value of 1 is 1 lakh. If they ask for 3 means 3,000. Okay, but here they ask for 1. That is 1 is in the lakhs position. That is 1 lakh. So place value the same number 1 only. Okay. Okay, student. Last question of exercise 3.1. So what is that question? What is the difference between the place value and face value of the digit 6 in the number, this number? Subtract face value from place value. Okay, so first write down the number. What is the number? 167000925. So first place the commas, 3, 2, 2. So what is the number? 1,67,925. Okay, but here they ask place value of 6. So here 6 is in the 10 lakhs place. So what is the place value of 6? Place value of 6. That is 6 in the 10 lakhs position. That is 60 lakh. That is 60 lakh. What about face value? Face value of 6. So face value of 6 is 6 only. Okay. Next they ask difference. So difference means subtraction. But they given here subtract face value from place value. Place value means first write down the place value. What is the place value? Place value minus face value. So what is the place value? 60 lakh. 60 lakh minus 6. So subtract it. What will get the answer? So subtract here 60 lakh 6. So subtract it. So here 0 is there, 10 no? 10 minus 6, 4. So 1 cancel, 9. Again 1 cancel, 9. 1 cancel, 9. Cancel, 9. Cancel, 9. Here 1 cancel means 5 no? So what is the number? 59 lakh 99,994. So what is the number? 59 lakh 99,994. Okay, this is the difference between place value and place value. Okay, I hope you understand all the questions of exercise 3.1. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Thank you.